The photography majors at Point Park have many tools at their disposal to achieve a diverse number of styles in their imagery. Most of these tools are located in the photo studio on the fourth floor of Academic Hall. The studio is only open to photography majors and is a relatively empty space that leaves plenty of room for a variety of lighting setups and has two main backdrops as well as changeable backdrops in a variety of colors. As for the tools, it begins with two main types of lights, the Omni lights and the strobes. The Omni lights provide a single light at one intensity with the option to direct the light using the barn doors attached to each light. The strobes provide a greater level of control with the ability to change the intensity of the light and includes a feature that allows the flashes to detect each other's lights for a unified flash when the photographer takes their picture. The studio has a variety of attachments to create dynamically different lighting effects. The first is a basic deflector that simply directs the light forward. The snoot focuses the light into one very concentrated beam of light that can be used as a spotlight or to further emphasize a portion of the image. Beauty dishes are used to create soft shadows on a subject by bouncing light off of the dish before it is projected forward. Finally, there is the softbox, which is the most effective at eliminating harsh light. It does this by using the covering on the front of the box to spread the light out as far as it can, giving the strobe greater coverage of light over an area. Using these tools, the photographer can use the strobes to achieve any lighting they wish, only using one light to make a harsh shadow for dramatic lighting. A reflector can also be used here to create a smoother area between the lit part of the image and the dark areas. As more lights are added, the photographs created have less shadow and are more geared towards minimalizing shadows while balancing the highlights in the images created, as this two-light setup demonstrates. 3 lights are generally used when an image is being created for a professional purpose. In this setup, a backlight is added to create light around the person's outline. Depending on where the light is placed, it can create different effects, such as if the light was placed above the subject to brighten his upper body. While having the knowledge of these tools is important, also having the ability to use them creatively is equally as important. Moving away from the communications department.